Hello traders, welcome back to another video here on the Learn to Trade channel, and today we're going to talk about US equities and in particular the S&P 500. Now well, let me just delete this. This was yesterday's trade on the S&P 500. As you can see, pretty neat. If you want to get access to my trades, just click the link below the video and join my VIP team. So the S&P 500 is looking extremely bullish to me, right? Now today we had some great retail sales numbers. This is extremely good for equities and goes alongside with my bullish stance on US equities, mostly the S&P 500 and the Nasdaq. But we're going to talk about the S&P 500 only. So let's have a look at the daily very fast. And well, the daily extremely bullish since since the lows around March 20th, 2020. Sorry. And well, right now, as you can see, the S&P 500 has been respecting these breakout levels over and over and over. Now, this level was broken with on let's have a look. On May 7th, and as you can see, we had the retest. Then this level was broken with on July 26th, and we had the retest and a surge of about 4.5%, and from low to high on this breakout we had a 6% move, right? And right now this is what I'm looking at, right? The S&P 500, right? Retesting and taking out of that same level, right, that was broken with. And well, if we do a calculation from low to high of about 4.5%, let's call it, we could see price surging to the 4660 level. Now of course, that I don't know if this is going to happen. No one knows what's going to happen. That's why we do our own analysis. But let's have a look at the 4-hour chart. Right, the 4-hour chart looking extremely bullish, and this is the level that I was talking about earlier, right? This entire level, from the 4450 level to the 4480 level or so, which is now capping the upside in the S&P 500, right? This previous base right here. That's why my targets were all the way here at the 4489 level. Now, if we look at the hourly chart, right? This pullback move, let's move to the 2-hour chart. This pullback move was very structured, right? From the highs at the 4550 level, let's call it, to the lows at the 4440 level, right? Price was trading inside of a very structured bearish channel, right? Then we got a retest of the 4440 level, right? This entire area that I'm looking at right here. And well, yesterday we failed to create a new daily high, but we broke with that structure, right? We broke with this structure yesterday, right? Again, the weekly pivot is capping the upside, but today is looking extremely bullish, and this is how I'm planning to play this out. Now, I'm waiting for the break of this level right here, the 4490 level or so, and which is about the ADR highs. If price, and when, I mean, I say when because the past let's go ahead to the hourly chart very quickly. The past 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1-hour candles have been extremely bullish. This market is on the very short term controlled by buyers. So what I'm going to do, because of how I showed you that the S&P 500 really respects previous broken levels with retests, I'm going to wait for that breakout, the retest of the 4490 level, and then I'm going to buy into this weakness to retest this the previous highs, and of course break to all-time highs. So this is how I'm playing the S&P 500. Next week, if you want to be part of that or get my trades, right, just go ahead and click the link below the video and subscribe to the VIP team.